India and Pakistan, two neighbors, bound by borders and divided by decades of hostility, are at war once again. Fighter jets scream across the skies in intense dogfights, while a new era of warfare unfolds below. Drones, silent, stealthy, and precise, are executing pinpoint strikes with deadly efficiency. In this video, we explore the advanced drones deployed by both nations, how they're used, and some fascinating insights that reveal the true face of modern war. This is not just war, it's war redefined. Let's begin with Part 1, India's drone arsenal. Rustom, India's indigenous surveillance warrior. Rustom is India's first indigenously developed medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, created by the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO. Named after the Indian scientist Rustom Damania, the drone was initially conceived for surveillance but has seen upgrades for armed roles. Powered by a Russia-made NPO Saturn 36 MT turboprop engine, it achieves speeds of 225 km per hour. It stretches 9.5 meters in length, spans 20.6 meters in wingspan, and weighs about 1,800 kilograms. It can carry a payload of 350 kilograms, reach 35,000 feet, and stay airborne for up to 24 hours. The Rustom platform integrates synthetic aperture radar, or SAR, electro-optical sensors, communications intelligence systems, and GPS-based navigation. It can carry 4 precision-guided missiles, likely Helena or laser-guided bombs. With robust intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance or ISR capability, autonomous flight, and battlefield resilience, Rustom is a critical asset in India's drone warfare framework. Archer, India's armed UAV. The Archer, known as Tactical Airborne Platform for Aerial Surveillance Beyond Horizon or TAPA's BH-201, represents India's ambitious foray into armed drone technology. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, created under India's broader UAV modernization and self-reliance initiative. Powered by 2 Austria-made Rotax 914 turbocharged piston engines, the Archer reaches a cruising speed of 280 km per hour and offers approximately 1,000 km range. The drone measures 9.5 meters in length, features a wingspan of 21.6 meters, weight of approximately 1,850 kilograms. It can operate at altitudes of up to 35,000 feet, an impressive endurance of 30 hours. With a payload capacity of 350 kilograms, Archer is capable of carrying a variety of precision-guided munitions. It typically deploys 2 Helena anti-tank guided missiles and 2 GBU-12 Paveway-2 laser-guided bombs. Designed primarily for armed reconnaissance and offensive missions, it integrates advanced avionics, dual redundant flight control systems, SATCOM connectivity, real-time video transmission, and terrain avoidance radar. The Archer is tailored not just for conventional combat, but also for asymmetric and hybrid warfare scenarios. It is engineered for deep penetration missions and can be deployed across varied terrains including mountains, deserts, and maritime zones. With its multi-role capability and indigenous development, the Archer marks a strategic leap in India's defense capabilities, pushing the nation closer to fielding a fully autonomous and combat-ready UAV fleet. Adani Drishti 10 is the latest combat drone in Indian arsenal. The Drishti 10, built under license by Adani Defense in collaboration with Israel's Elbit Systems, is a battlefield-proven male UAV. It's powered by an Austria-made Rotax 914 piston engine, offering speeds of 220 km per hour. The drone is 8.3 meters long, has a 15-meter wingspan, and weighs around 1,180 kilograms. It can carry a 350 kilograms payload, fly up to 30,000 feet, and remain airborne for up to 36 hours. Drishti 10 is notable for its modular payload bays, enabling custom intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance and strike configurations. It is armed with up to 4 weapons, including 2 Spike air-to-ground missiles and 2 GBU-12 bombs, depending on mission type. Equipped with maritime surveillance radar, electro-optical and infrared sensors, and electronic intelligence payloads, this UAV offers multi-role capabilities for border patrol anti-terrorism ops, and battlefield strikes. Drishti 10 is battle-tested as Hermes 900 in various global theaters and now strengthens India's drone strike potential with advanced strike and observe functionality. IAI Harop, India's precision loitering munition. IAI Harop, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, is a loitering munition designed to hover over the battlefield and strike high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy. Unlike conventional drones, the Harop is a kamikaze drone. It identifies, tracks, and directly crashes into enemy radars, missile launchers, or command posts, destroying itself along with the target. With a wingspan of 3 meters and a length of 2.5 meters, the Harop is launched from canisters and can remain airborne for up to 6 hours, covering a range of nearly 1,000 kilometers. It is guided by electro-optical sensors and anti-radiation systems, allowing it to autonomously detect radar emissions or be manually piloted by ground operators for precision targeting. Most recently, during a military engagement with Pakistan, India deployed 2 Israeli-origin drones, including the Harop, in a limited strike and surveillance role. This move underlined India's growing reliance on advanced unmanned platforms for real-time intelligence gathering and surgical strikes. It reflects a broader transformation in India's military strategy, favoring agile, tech-driven responses that align with modern warfare trends seen globally. Harop's ability to loiter over the battlefield, wait for the ideal strike moment, and eliminate threats without risking human pilots has made it a game-changer. As India expands its drone fleet, systems like the Harop are expected to play a larger role in future conflicts, particularly in suppressing enemy air defenses and conducting covert precision operations. IAI Harpy, India's loitering munition drone. The IAI Harpy is an advanced loitering munition developed by Israel Aerospace Industries. Designed specifically for suppression of enemy air defenses, it combines the functions of a drone and a missile. Unlike traditional UAVs, the Harpy isn't just a surveillance tool. It seeks, loiters, and strikes enemy radar systems on its own. This fire-and-forget drone autonomously flies over designated areas, detects hostile radar emissions, and then dives to destroy the source with precision. Powered by rotary-type piston engine, its top cruising speed is approximately 250 kilometers per hour. With a wingspan of 2.1 meters and a flight endurance of up to 6 hours, the Harpy can travel approximately 500 kilometers and operational altitude up to 10,000 feet, making it effective for deep strike missions. Its passive radar seeker allows it to identify and eliminate threats without human intervention, carries 32 kilograms of high-explosive warhead, and it's stored in a sealed launcher box, ready for rapid deployment. In a recent military engagement with Pakistan, India made notable use of 2 Israeli-origin drones, including the Harpy, deploying it in a limited but strategic combat role. This marked a significant evolution in India's use of unmanned systems, emphasizing a growing reliance on drone warfare for real-time surveillance and precision strikes. It reflects India's adaptation to modern conflict dynamics, favoring automation, standoff targeting, and lower human risk. The Harpy's unique kamikaze profile and radar hunting capability make it a powerful tool for disabling enemy air defenses before a full-scale air assault. As regional drone warfare evolves, platforms like the Harpy show how smart munitions are becoming indispensable in modern military doctrine. We've seen what India brought to the skies, but the battle isn't over. In Part 2, we'll uncover Pakistan's drone power. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.